Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z FLIP7 and Galaxy Z Fold7. If you're excited about the next generation of foldable smartphones, stay tuned for all the juicy details. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech updates. Slide to the next big thing with the Galaxy Z Fold7 and Z FLIP7. Price point. According to the latest leaks, the Galaxy Z FLIP7 and Galaxy Z Fold7 are expected to cost the same as last year's models. Yes, you heard it right. The Galaxy Z Fold7 is likely to be priced at $1,899.99 in the US and €1,999 in the Eurozone. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z FLIP7 might start at $1,099 in the US and €1,999 in Europe. This consistency in pricing is great news for those who were worried about a potential price hike. Design changes. While pricing seems to remain unchanged, we can expect some exciting design updates, especially for the Galaxy Z Fold7. Rumors suggest that Samsung might adopt the form factor from last year's Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, which was available in China as the Samsung W25. This means we might see a sleeker and more refined design. However, don't hold your breath for titanium frames this time around. Those seem to be reserved for the Galaxy S Ultra series for now. Despite this, the durability and build quality of Samsung's foldables have always been impressive, and we can expect nothing less with the new models. New additions. Samsung is always full of surprises, and this time is no different. Besides the Galaxy Z Fold7 and Z FLIP7, we might see a more affordable Galaxy Z Flip FE and possibly Samsung's first-ever Galaxy Z Trifold device. The Galaxy Z Trifold could be a game-changer in the foldable smartphone market, offering a unique design that allows the device to fold in 3 sections. This could provide a larger display area while maintaining portability. Performance and features. Let's talk about performance. The Galaxy Z Fold7 and Z FLIP7 are expected to be powered by the latest Snapdragon processors, ensuring smooth performance and efficient multitasking. Additionally, the cameras on these devices are rumored to receive significant upgrades, allowing for better photo and video quality. Samsung's focus on camera technology has always been a strong selling point, and it looks like they're set to continue that trend with their latest foldables. Battery life. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and Samsung is rumored to be making improvements in this area as well. The Galaxy Z Fold7 is expected to have a larger battery capacity, which should help it last longer even with heavy use. The Galaxy Z FLIP7 is also likely to see improvements in battery efficiency, thanks to advancements in processor technology and software optimization. So there you have it, folks. The latest buzz around Samsung's next foldable smartphones. Whether it's the expected price points, design tweaks, potential new additions, or improvements in performance and battery life, the Galaxy Z FLIP7 and Z Fold7 promise to keep us all on the edge of our seats. These devices are set to push the boundaries of what's possible with foldable technology, and we can't wait to see them in action.